Dismissal procedures. Dismissal bell rings at 2:50 p.m. Students should head to their lockers and quickly pack up their belongings. If your last class is not in your pod, many teachers will have you bring your items to your last class so that you don't have to go back up the stairs at the end of the day. If your teacher allows you to do this, you should not be heading back to your pod at the end of the day. Go straight to your transportation so you don't cause a traffic jam. Things to remember. Be careful when getting things out of your locker. Don't hit the person beside or below you. Stay to the right during dismissal. Walk, don't run. Use your correct route for exiting the building. Car riders exit the main entrance by the attendance office. Bus riders exit using the cafeteria doors and the fine arts hallway doors. Don't walk with your friends if they aren't going to the same place you are. Walk and talk. Meet your friends outside. Don't stop and form groups inside, which block the flow of traffic. If you have practice or a detention, go directly to your assigned location. Do not take a walk around the building first.